ever see this monkey at the zoo, don't stare too long.
Bro, why does it have an eye on its mouth? That's not even possible. I'll tell you what happened next.
But first, if you think this puppy's cute, like and subscribe. But if you ignore it, well, I know you won't, because all animal lovers will love this adorable puppy. Now look at this poor cat, abandoned and lonely, just needing love. Press like and subscribe, and leave a heart to show kindness. May Jesus bless your family in return. Now, back to the monkey. He said it looked right into his eyes and whispered from its mouth eye, "I can see your soul."